Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. We INDE Enterprises are a reputed supplier of soldering station, desoldering station, rework station and fume extraction system. One of our core product is dry cabinet. We are supplying these dry cabinets to various reputed customers including MNCs across the country. So the dry cabinet which you will buy from us will arrive in the sturdy packing which you are watching on your screen. See, you can see that it's a sturdy packing. It is basically the dry cabinet is kept inside this packing to avoid damage during transportation. To take out the dry cabinet from this packing, we need few tools which you are watching on your screen. We need a cutter and a star shaped screwdriver. We will show you how you can use these tools to remove the outside packing and take out the dry cabinet from the packing. Use a cutter to just cut the strips which are wrapped around the outside packing. Cut these strips one by one. And then use a star shaped screwdriver to unscrew the few screws which are fixed on both sides of this door. See, basically the front side is the door. We need to remove all these screws by using a screwdriver to take out the front side door. You can see we have removed all the screws one by one using a star shaped screwdriver. Few screws are also fixed on top of the packing, as you can watch on your screen. We need to remove these screws as well to unpack the cabinet completely. So step by step we have removed the iron strips wrapped around the cabinet, and then we have removed the screws fixed on top of the packing and from on both sides of the packing. Now the front side opening we can remove. So it's a door like opening. We can remove the front side in this way, and then you can see the dry cabinet is securely packed inside this box. Now carefully we will take out the dry cabinet. If the wheels are locked, then you have to unlock the wheels, check both wheels, and if there is a lock, then you need to unlock it. As you can see, we have taken out the dry cabinet with utmost care from the outside packing. Now we need to remove this foam sheet. We will expose the cabinet by removing the foam sheet. So in this way we can remove the foam sheet. Just tear this packing tape. The foam sheet has been removed, and then you can see the dry cabinet which is securely packed. We need to remove this cling film also. See, by using a knife we need to remove this cling film. We have to remove this corner as well, which are used to protect the corners of the dry cabinet from damage during transportation. So after removing the outer packing, we have taken out the dry cabinet. Now you can see the live broadcast of dry cabinet. So there are four wheels. There are four wheels beneath this dry cabinet. You can see two front wheels are lockable. See, in this way we can lock and unlock these front two wheels, and the rear wheels are without lock. So this cabinet is mounted on four wheels. You can see there are three doors in front of this dry cabinet. These three doors are equipped with locks. So there are three individual locks on each door, and each door can be locked and unlocked with the help of these handles. So let's see how we can open these doors. So there is a button, push button. You need to press this push button, then the handle bar will come out, and then you have to twist it in the clockwise direction, and then gently you can open the door. So in this way the other two doors can also be opened. Same procedure we need to follow. Press the push button, then twist the handlebar in clockwise direction, and then we can see that these doors can be opened. Few accessories are also supplied along with this dry cabinet. So these accessories are tied with this help of these cable ties. We need to cut these cable ties and take out these accessories from the cabinet. After cutting the cable ties, we will take out these accessories from the cabinet, and let's see what type of accessories are supplied along with this cabinet. See, this is a power cord. This power cord is used to connect this dry cabinet to the external power source. Second one is wrist strap. This wrist strap, two wrist straps are supplied along with this cabinet. These wrist straps are used with this banana jack. We will explain its functionality later on. Then there are a few key sets. There are three key sets for each door. See, there are three doors, and for each door one key set is supplied. Then we will watch out for this operating manual. Along with the operating manual, a test and calibration certificate is also supplied, which is valid for 1 year from the date of our invoice. And along with this calibration certificate, an operating manual is also supplied, which contains useful information regarding the operation and maintenance of this dry cabinet. It's almost a maintenance free dry cabinet, but few precautions you need to take to run this dry cabinet smoothly. So there are few precautions which should be followed before operating this dry cabinet. First of all, we need to open all the doors. In this cabinet there are three doors, so we need to open these three doors for few hours to make this dry cabinet climate friendly. So there are variety of climate across India, so we need to open these doors for few hours so that the outer air crosses inside this cabinet, and then in this way this dry cabinet can be made climate friendly. And one more precaution you need to take. We should maintain a distance of around 30 centimeter from the wall. So you can see this dry cabinet is around 1 feet away from the wall. So this precaution is taken for smooth air passing and for proper functioning of this dry cabinet, as the moisture is released from the rear side. So there should be a distance of around 1 feet between the wall and the dry cabinet. So let's see how we can use the wrist strap supplied along with this dry cabinet. There is a banana socket mounted on the dry cabinet, and on the wrist strap side there is a banana plug. We need to insert this banana plug into this banana socket, and in this way we can connect the strap to the dry cabinet. And before opening the door, the user should wear the wrist strap and then open the door to maintain this static sensitive area. So there is other strap also. Same procedure is followed to connect the strap to the dry cabinet. In the next stage, we will explain the connection of main power source to the dry cabinet. So as you can see, on the rear side there are three desiccators. These three desiccators should be connected to the external power source with the help of the connecting cords. So please follow the procedure which we are showing you on your display. Use the interconnection wire to connect these desiccators. These desiccators are interconnected in parallel, and the external power cord supplied along with this dry cabinet should be connected to the third desiccator mounted on the bottom. So now the interconnection of these three desiccators with the external power source is complete. One more thing you should keep in your mind: there is a grounding cord provided along with this dry cabinet. This grounding cord should be connected to the grounding point or earthing point, which should be there in your electric circuitry. Now we have connected this dry cabinet to the external power source, and we are now switching it on. Let's see what happens. You can see the front panel display is blinking. It will show you the temperature as well as humidity. Now we will explain various indicators present on the display, and we will also elaborate about the features and functions of this dry cabinet, which we can use with the help of front panel display. So let's start from the extreme left on your screen. See, there is a green LED blinking. It means the cabinet is running smoothly, and moving to the right side, we can see the temperature. Temperature is indicated in the red LEDs. It is showing the temperature inside the cabinet. We cannot increase or decrease the temperature. It only reads and displays the temperature inside the cabinet. And then moving to the right side, we can see the humidity level. Humidity level, it is since the cabinet is running, the humidity level is gradually decreasing. As you can see, it will slowly attain the set humidity level. We can see the humidity level is gradually decreasing, and then moving to the right side, we can see the up button, down button, and then a button is push button is function, and on the left side we can see it's for the backspace, and then enter button. Enter button is for selecting the specified feature. So there are only three functions present inside this dry cabinet. Function number 1, 9 and 10. So first of all, we will show you how to use function number 1. Press the function button, then press enter. Now we can adjust the set RH level by pressing the up or down button. If we press the up button, the RH will increase. If we press the down button, the RH level will decrease. Suppose we will set this at 5% RH, then press enter, and it will the value which we have entered will be saved, and slowly when the cabinet will run for few hours, then the set humidity level will be achieved. Moving to the next function, we need to select the function number 9. Press the function button, then press up button to select function number 9, then press enter button. Then we will see that the cabinet will enter into the sleep mode. If we want to wake up this cabinet from the sleep mode, we need to press the function button once again, select function number 9, and then press enter. Now you can see the temperature, this humidity cabinet will wake up from the sleep mode. And the last one is function number 10. Function number 10 is for resetting. Press the function button, then use the up button to set function number 10, then press enter button. Now this humidity cabinet will reset. It will initialize, show the version number, then it will start running again as it was earlier before pressing the resetting button. We have explained you everything about this dry cabinet, starting from unpacking, installation, preventive maintenance, and setting the desired RH level. So it is now very easy for you to use this dry cabinet, and we are here to assist you in case you feel any difficulty. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.